Alright, welcome back to Key 60 Hotshot Adventures. Working on the 15 Ram here. We are swapping out the tow mirrors. I'm just now one for them. I guess these actually had puddle lights too, huh? I don't even know if they work. Let's go see. This is the new GM style. Got color matched. Since that door is open. Yeah, they don't work. Yeah, they're burned out on this truck. I'm driving it and I've only had it about a month now and I can't deal with, all my other trucks have this style mirror. Manual slide out, of course. And I just love the big blind spot that GM has on their GM style mirrors versus this tiny little sliver on these, I mean, it's not too huge, but there is significant enough of a difference that, and I just like it being in the vertical versus this way and then having to flip them up. I like it always this way, and then I don't have to look dumb having the moose mirrors all flipped up all the time to get the vertical look. So I just said, screw it. I'm gonna get the GM style, and then when I need them, I just pull them out. This is the reverse light, and then there is a running light, and these are also blinker. I haven't, I'm not gonna hook up the wires tonight. I don't have the time for it, but I did. Comes in here. Rehooked up the electric tape. These are 10mm. Bring it down. These are by like Seismic or something. Plug the plugs in. This is the additional plug for the ground, running, and reverse lights. It goes into here. There are two T20 Torx up here, and then one right there. And then here you pinch the top and the bottom in the front, and then pinch top and the bottom in the back there, and then this pops out. Since this is a tradesman model that I have, I only have one electrical connector in here, which gave me a whole lot more space, so I fished the wires through there. I just used a zip tie. I got like an 11-inch zip tie, just fished it through, pulled it through, found a spot, brought it through over here, just kind of bundled it up until I get that wired in. And then just make sure you fish it behind your seal here and don't make the mistake I did and then have to undo it and do it twice or 3 times. But get the door panel off was pretty simple. Bunch of this little like push clips all the way around the door, and there is one screw right here behind the handle. You got to pop the cover off, pull the Phillips screw out, and then just kind of give it a pop up and out a little bit. But before you can even do that, you got to pop off. In my case, I have a cover. Pop the cover off, then you can pop the door panel up. So I'm just reversing the order since the tradesmen's are way more simplified. I think there's like there's more plugs than this for the higher models. I only had one plug basically just for the door lock and the door window button. I went ahead and stick it back together, but that is a super quick and dirty of the install of a GM style mirrors on a 2015 Ram 2500 Tradesman. Alright, I'm going to finish this up here. I'm running out of daylight.